Hello everyone. In this video session, I will explain some important terms in coordination compounds. Under that, first one is coordination entity. Coordination entity. What is meant by coordination entity? See, the coordination entity are also called as coordination sphere. It contains a central metal atom which is surrounded by fixed number of neutral or negatively charged molecules is called coordination entity. Or simply we can say that the element which is present inside the square bracket is called a coordination entity. This is not coordination entity. Coordination entity consists of a central metal atom. In this example, copper is said to be central metal atom and it is surrounded by fixed number of neutral or negatively charged molecules are called ligands. Ligands andre next ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ligand ಗೆ exact definition. Central metal atoms ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಎಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. In this example, the coordination entity is CuNH34 times. And I will take one more example, that is K4FeCN6, potassium ferrocyanide. In this example, which is coordination entity, the element which is present inside the square bracket is called coordination entity. In this coordination entity, it consists of a central metal atom, iron. Iron atom is the central metal and it is surrounded by 6 ligands. This is nothing but coordination entity. What is meant by coordination entity? It containing a central metal atom and surrounded by fixed number of neutral or negatively charged molecules called ligands. Clear? Then central metal atom. Next one, central metal atom. What is that central metal atom? ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಟಮ್? ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಎಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ enclosed in the square bracket is called coordination sphere or coordination entity. Or the ionizable ions, the element which is present outside the sphere is called counter ion. Counter ion ಅಥವಾ ionizable sphere ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Counter ion ಅಂತಾನೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ionizable sphere. This is what we call ionizable sphere. Clear? The element which is present inside the square bracket is called coordination sphere. The species, the ionizable species which is present outside the square bracket is called a counter ion or ionizable sphere. In this example, this is called as coordination sphere or coordination entity, and the ionizable sphere or counter ion is K plus ion. Potassium ಅನ್ನೋದು K plus counter ion, square bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು coordination sphere or coordination entity. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Central metal atom is present inside the square bracket, or central metal atom is present in coordination entity which readily accept the pair of electron. Hence, the central metal atom is considered as Lewis acid. What is meant by Lewis acid? The substance which can accept the pair of electron is called Lewis acid. Here, copper is Lewis central metal atom acts as a Lewis acid because it can accept the pair of electron from ammonia to form coordination bond. How many coordination bonds formed around copper in this example? 4. How many coordination bonds formed around iron atom in this example? 6. Total 6 cyanide ions pair of electrons na central metal atom ge kodutte. Hagaದ್ರೆ in this coordination sphere, central metal atom acts as Lewis acid, ligands acts as Lewis base. Lewis base ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ because ligands can donate the pair of electron to the central metal atom, acts as Lewis base. The central metal atom always receives the electron. Sir, ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು central metal atom electron receive ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಶಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ only the d block element or transition element can readily form complexes. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ transition elements ಏನಿದಾವೆ ಆ transition metals ಅಲ್ಲಿ vacant d orbital ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ due to the presence of vacant d orbital they readily accept the pair of electron from other species and it can form coordination bond. In this coordination entity, central metal atom acts as Lewis acid and ligands acts as Lewis base. Okay, ಈಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ligand ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. What is mean by ligand and what are the types of ligand ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, ligand. Okay, ligands are the neutral or anions which can donate one or more pairs of electron to the central metal atom to form coordination bond. ಈಗ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ligand ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ligand ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ligand is nothing but an anion or negatively charged ion or neutral molecule which can donate a pair of electron to the central metal atom to form coordination bond. ಇದು central metal atom, ಇದು negatively ಅಥವಾ neutral molecule ಅಂದ್ರೆ this neutral or negatively charged molecule will donate a pair of electrons to the central metal atom to form coordination bond. ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕು ligand ಇಂದ central metal atom ಗೆ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ligand ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, it can donate one or more pair of electrons to the central metal atom. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ligands pair of electron ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ pair of electron ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೋ ಆ ತರದ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ligands ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ligands ಇದಾವೆ. I will give some examples for neutral ligand. For example, water. Water acts as a ligand because oxygen containing 2 lone pair of electron. Next, NH3 is also acts as ligand. Nitrogen containing lone pair of electron. Next, CO carbonyl. Next, pyridine. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್. lone pair of electrons ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಆ lone pair of electron ನ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. These are neutral ligands. Charged ligands example ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Charged ligands ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ Cl minus, OH minus, Cl minus, Br minus, CH3COO minus. These are negatively charged ligands ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what are ligands? These are neutral or negatively charged anions which can donate a pair of electrons to the central metal atom to form coordination bond. Example for neutral ligands. These are the example for charged ligands. Okay. Next, classification of ligands. Classification of ligand. Ligands are further classified into 3 types. First one is monodentate ligand. Monodentate ligand. Ligands are classified into 3 types. First one is monodentate ligand. Second one is bidentate ligand. Third one is polydentate ligand. What is monodentate ligand? As the name implies that. What is meant by mono? Single. The ligand which can donate only one pair of electrons to the central metal atom to form one coordination bond. Here, what is meant by monodentate ligand? A ligand which can donate one pair of electrons to the central metal atom to form one coordination bond. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದು monodentate ligand ಗೆ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಮೈನ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು NH2 ತಗೋಬಾರದು. ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೈನ್ NH3 ನ ನಾವು ಅಮೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ಡೋನಾರ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೋನಾರ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಅಮೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡೋನಾರ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಅಮೈನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕ್ವಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಅಕ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ H2O ನ ಅಕ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. NH3 ನ ಅಮೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Clear? NH3 is nothing but amine. Actually, sorry, AMMINE, amine. Amine is NH3, aqua is H2O, which is a donor atom. Oxygen is a donor atom. Since oxygen containing lone pair of electron, here nitrogen containing lone pair of electron. Similarly, carbonyl. What is carbonyl? CO. Carbon is a donor atom. Here carbon is a donor atom. It can donate only one pair. Oxygen containing 2 lone pair of electrons ಇದೆ. Even though it containing 2 lone pair of electron, it can donate only one pair of electrons to the central metal atom to form coordination bond. Next, pyridine an example agi ತಗೋಣ. Pyridine. Okay, pyridine is also monodentate ligand, and here the donor atom is nitrogen. Similarly, chlorate. Chlorate example ತಗೋಣ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಲೋರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲೋರಿಡೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ನೋಡಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಓ. ಈಗ Cl ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೋರಿಡೋ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಡೋನರ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಇಟ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಬ್ರೋಮಿಡೋ Br minus Br. Similarly, hydroxo, the donor atom is oxygen. Oxygen is a donor atom. Oxygen ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ. Next, acetate, that is CH3COO minus. Oxygen is the donor atom. These are the several examples for monodentate ligand. These are the ligand which can donate only one pair of electrons to the central metal atom to form one coordination bond. And also cyano, that is Cl minus, and the donor atom is carbon. In acetato, oxygen is a donor atom. In hydroxo, oxygen is a donor atom. Here chlorine is a donor atom. Here nitrogen is a donor atom. Clear? What is meant by monodentate ligand? A ligand which can donate only one pair of electrons to the central metal atom to form one coordination bond. Next, bidentate ligand. Bidentate ligand ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆಂಬಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. What is meant by ambidentate ligand? Ambident ligand ಅಥವಾ ambidentate ligand ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. Ambidentate ligand. Ambidentate ligand. Ambidentate ligand. See, what is meant by ambident ligand or ambidentate ligand? See, the ligand which containing 2 donor atom, but ಒಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಡೋನರ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ಆಟಮ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್. ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಡೋನರ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟ್ 1 ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ಆಟಮ್. 2 ಡೋನರ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಆಟಮ್ 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಡೋನರ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ 1 ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ನ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ನ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಂಬಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆಂಬಿಡೆಂಟೇಟ್ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಎ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ 2 ಡೋನರ್ ಆಟಮ್, even though it can coordinate to the central metal atom through only 1 atom at a time. ಈ ಆಟಮ್ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಟಮ್ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋ ಆಟಮ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಆಟಮ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ನೋಡಿ, Cn ಇದೆ, Nc ಇದೆ. The name of this ligand is cyano. The name of this ligand is isocyano. These two are the best example for ambident ligand. Because in cyano, in this example, there are 2 donor atoms. Carbon ಮೇಲೇನೂ electrons ಇದೆ, nitrogen ಮೇಲೇನೂ ಇದೆ. If in this example there are 2 donor atoms. If carbon donate pair of electrons to the central metal atom, is considered as cyano. Suppose if nitrogen donate a pair of electrons to the central metal atom, is considered as isocyano. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಡೋನರ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This type of ligands are called as ambident ligand. We will take one more example. SCN and NCS. ನೋಡಿ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಸಲ್ಫರ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದೆ, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಡೋನರ್ ಆಟಮ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಡೋನರ್ ಆಟಮ್, sulfur as well as nitrogen. If sulfur donate a pair of electrons to the central metal atom, nitrogen won't. If nitrogen donate a pair of electrons to the central metal atom, sulfur ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. If sulfur is a donor atom, the name of this ligand is thiocyanate. This is isothiocyanate. Clear? Thiocyanate and isothiocyanate. Thiocyanate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಇದು SCN ಗೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಥಯೋಸಯನೇಟೋ ಐಸೋಥಯೋಸಯನೇಟೋ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟೂ ಡೋನರ್ ಆಟಮ್, even though it can donate one pair of electron from only one atom at a time. Sulfur ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸಲ್ಫರ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. We take one more example. NO2 ONO. ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್? ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಎರಡು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎರಡು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇದೆ. If nitrogen donates a pair of electron, here two donor atom and nitrogen along with oxygen. If nitrogen donate a pair of electron, the name of ligand is nitro. If oxygen will donate a pair of electron, the name of the ligand is nitrito. Clear? These are the example for ambident ligand. What is ambident ligand? A ligand which containing two donor atom and even though it coordinate to the central metal atom through only one atom at a time. Carbon ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. Give an example for ambident ligand ಅಂದ್ರೆ cyano isocyanate, thiocyanate isothiocyanate, nitro and nitrito. In the nitro the donor atom is nitrogen, in nitrito the donor atom is oxygen. ಡೋನರ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಆಟಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಬೈಡೆಂಟೇಟ್ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಬೈಡೆಂಟೇಟ್ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್. Bidentate ligand. As the name implies that bi. What is mean by bi? It represents two. However, what is mean by bidentate ligand? A ligand which can donate two pairs of electrons to the central metal atom to form two coordination bond. ಒಂದೇ ligand ಎರಡು ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ನ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎರಡು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. Here a ligand which can donate two pairs of electrons to the central metal atom to form two coordination bond. I will take one example, that is ethylene diamine. The composition is NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2. Clear? Ethylene diamine is a bidentate ligand because here there are two donor atoms are there. If the central metal atom is there, means this nitrogen also donates one pair of electrons to the central metal atom and this nitrogen also donates a pair of electrons to the central metal atom. Hence, ethylene diamine is a example for bidentate ligand. It can donate two pairs of electrons to the central metal atom to form two coordination bond. Then the abbreviation of ethylene diamine in the coordination compound or complex compound is EN. ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಪಕ್ಕ EN ಅಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ethylene diamine. It is a bidentate ligand. One ethylene diamine can form two coordination bond. Remember, one ethylene diamine can donate two pairs of electron to form two coordination bond. We will take one more example. Okay, acetate ion ಅಥವಾ oxalate ion. Acetate ಅಲ್ಲ, sorry, oxalate ion. What is the formula for oxalate? C2O4. C2O4. Nodi, COO minus, COO minus. Here, how many donor atoms are there? 2. This oxygen also donates a pair of electrons to the central metal atom. This oxygen also donates a pair of electrons to the central metal atom. And one oxalate ion can donate 2 pairs of electrons to the central metal atom to form 2 coordination bond. And the simple abbreviation is OX. Coordination compounds alli central metal atom is surrounded by some OX ligands, and the OX represent oxalate ion. One oxalate ion can form 2 coordination bond. And the next one is dimethyl glyoxide. Dimethyl glyoxide. Dimethyl glyoxide. The formula is CH3 C double bond CH3 NOH, here NOH. See, this is also an example for bidentate ligand. Bidentate ligand, that is CH3 C double bond N. Here double bond N, because the valency of carbon is 3, no? Okay, this is the correct structure. Okay, dimethyl glyoxide. This is also a bidentate ligand. Then what are the donor atoms? Here nitrogen is a donor atom. How many nitrogens are there? 2. This nitrogen along with this nitrogen can donate the pair of electrons to the central metal atom to form coordination bond. And the simple abbreviation is DMG. What is the DMG represent? Dimethyl glyoxide. These are the example for bidentate ligand. What are bidentate ligand? The ligand which can donate 2 pairs of electrons to the central metal atom to form 2 coordination bond. Nodi, chelate ligands anta ide. Actually ivellallu kuda chelate ligands. Ella bidentate ligands matte polydentate ligands anna ನಾವು chelate ligands anta ಕರೀತೀವಿ. What is chelate ligand ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ligand which can donate a pair of electrons to the central metal atom to form ring type of structure. ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈಗ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಗೆ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ರಿಂಗ್ ತರ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ರಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ರಿಂಗ್ ನ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೋ ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ chelate ligand and the complexes are called chelate complexes. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬಟ್ monodentate ligands are not considered as a chelate ligand. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಮೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Suppose if the amine donate one pair of electrons to the central metal atom, it cannot form ring type of structure except monodentate ligand. Ella bidentate. Next ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ polydentate ligand. Bidentate ligand and polydentate ligand can donate more than one pair of electrons to the central metal atom to form ring type of structures. That type of ligands are called chelate ligand and the complexes are called chelate complexes. Just ನೋಡಿ ರಿಂಗ್ ತರ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ತರ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಗಳು ತನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈ ತರ ಆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಂಗ್ ತರ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ligands are called as chelate ligands. Okay, then polydentate ligand. Polydentate ligands. Polydentate ligands. Third one, polydentate ligands. Polydentate ligand. What is meant by poly? Poly means many. The ligand which can donate more than 2 pairs. 2 pairs donate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ bidentate. 2 pairs ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ pairs of electron ನ ಒಂದು ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಗೆ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು polydentate ligands ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ tridentate ligand ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Tridentate ligand. What is meant by tridentate? ನೋಡಿ ಟ್ರೈಡೆಂಟೇಟು, ಟೆಟ್ರಾಡೆಂಟೇಟು, ಪೆಂಟಾಡೆಂಟೇಟು, ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಡೆಂಟೇಟು ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೂಡ ಪಾಲಿಡೆಂಟೇಟ್ ligands ಗೆ example. What is meant by tridentate ligand? The ligand which can donate 3 pairs of electrons to the central metal atom. The example is diethylene triamine. Diethylene triamine. The formula is NH2 CH2 NH CH2 NH2 C, and the simple abbreviation is diene. This is the abbreviation. En andre ethylene diamine, that is monodentate ligand. Diene is an example, ethylene diamine is an example for bidentate ligand, but diene is an example for tridentate ligand. Okay, here how many donor atoms? There are 3 donor atoms. Here one nitrogen, here one nitrogen, here one nitrogen. Why nitrogen? Nitrogen containing 1. We already know that nitrogen containing 1 lone pair of electron. If it is any central metal atom, means it can readily donate 3 pairs of electron from 3 nitrogen atom. Overall, this is one ligand, that is diene or diethylene triamine can donate 3 pairs of electrons to the central metal atom to form how many coordination bond? 3 coordination bond. Hence, it is an example for tridentate ligand, or simply you can say that polydentate ligand. And one more example, 2, 2 dash, 2 double dash, tripyridine. 2, 2 dash, 2 double dash, tripyridine. See, here one donor nitrogen, here one donor nitrogen, here one donor nitrogen. Pyridine andre gottide, in benzene alli one of the carbon atom is replaced by nitrogen. This is pyridine, here also pyridine. Total 3 pyridines are there. Each nitrogen, each carbon atom is directly linked. If it is central metal atom is there, means the 3 nitrogen atoms will donate the pair of electrons to the central metal atom. Hence, it can form 3 pairs of electrons. Hence, it is also an example for tridentate ligand. And these tridentate ligands also considered as a chelate ligand. Chelate ligand. What is meant by chelate ligand? Bidentate or polydentate ligand can donate more than 1 pair of electrons to the central metal atom to form ring type of compounds, ring type of structures. Okay, next tetradentate ligand an example agi tago. I will take next one more example for polydentate ligand. In that, particularly tetradentate ligand. The one example we can say that triethylene tetraamine. The simple example for tetradentate ligand is triethylene tetraamine. Okay, I will write the structure: NH2 CH2 NH CH2 NH. Number of ethylene groups, triethylene. Here one ethylene, here one ethylene. I will write one more ethylene, that is CH2 NH2. See, number of ethylene groups are how much? Tri. See, here one ethylene, here one ethylene, here one ethylene. Triethylene. Amine groups estide tetra. 1, 2, 3, 4. Donor atoms NH ಅಥವಾ NH2 groups estide total 4. Central metal atom ide andre this one triethylene tetraamine can donate 4 pairs of electrons to the central metal atom to form coordination bond. How many coordination bond? 4 coordination bond. One triene. The simple abbreviation is triene. Gottilla nimage difference. E is the example for bidentate ligand. Diene is an example for tridentate ligand. Triene is an example for tetradentate ligand because it can form, it can donate 4 pairs of electrons to the central metal atom to form coordination bond, 4 coordination bond. And it is also considered as a chelate ligand because it can readily form ring type of compounds after ring type of structure after donating the pairs of electron. Next, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋಣ. ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಡೆಂಟೇಟ್ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋಣ. Hexa means how much? 6. The best example is ethylene diamine tetraacetate. And the simple abbreviation is EDTA. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. EDTA is an example for hexadentate ligand. One EDTA molecule can donate 6 pairs of electrons to the central metal atom. Okay, how to write the structure? First write ethylene diamine. Ethylene means CH2. Diamine means NH2. Here NH2. Actually H2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ H. What is the name of this compound? Actually this is ethylene diamine. In this ethylene diamine, all the 4 hydrogen atoms have been replaced by acetate ion CH2COO minus. Here also CH2COO minus. This is the complete structure of EDTA molecules. Total number of donor atoms are 6. Out of that 2 are nitrogen atom. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of donor atoms are 6. Adralli 2 nitrogen atoms, 4 oxygen atoms. One EDTA molecule can donate 6 pairs of electrons to the central metal atom to form 6 coordination bond. This is about the type of ligands: monodentate ligand, bidentate ligand, polydentate ligand, along with the explanation of chelate ligands and ambident ligand. Okay. Next concept is a coordination number. What is meant by coordination number? Note. Coordination number. See, we know that coordination complex. So first, simple example for complex compound is K4FeCN6. Clear? This is an example for complex compound. What is meant by coordination number? First, I will take one example, that is a coordination sphere or coordination entity, that is FeCN6. This iron is surrounded by how many ligands? 6 ligands. These are negatively charged ligands. See, here one Cn, 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 here one Cn. ಇಲ್ಲಿ NC ಅಂತ ಓದಬಾರ್ದು, because in cyanide carbon is a donor atom. Here also carbon. This is a complex. See, in this complex, iron atom is surrounded by 6 cyanide ion and it can form 6 coordination bonds. The number of coordination bonds formed around the central metal atom is known as coordination number. Hagadre, in this example, the coordination number of iron is 6 because the iron atom is surrounded by 6 cyanide ions. All the 6 cyanide ions are monodentate, hence it can donate 1 pair of electrons to the central metal atom to form 6 coordination bonds. Simple ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾವಾಗ? ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ monodentate ligand. cyanide ion monodentate ligand. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಬೈಡೆಂಟೇಟ್ ಟ್ರೈಡೆಂಟೇಟ್ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಆವಾಗ ಅದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನ ತಗೋಣ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ Cu NH3 4 times SO4. Here what is the coordination number? Definitely 4. Each ammonia molecule can donate one pair of electrons to the central metal atom to form one coordination bond. One ammonia in the one coordination bond. Total 4 in the 4. Total number of coordination bonds are 4. And nickel tetracarbonyl NiCO4 carbonyl is monodentate ligand, and moreover it is a neutral ligand. Each carbonyl ligand donates one pair of electrons to the central metal atom to form 4 coordination bonds. 4 carbonyl in the 4 coordination bonds of formation. Okay, we take one more example. Okay, Na3CO, this is cobalt, C2O4 trace. What is the coordination number? Simple agi navu artha madkobekarade iga cobalt CO, this is the central metal atom, and it is linked with 3 C2O4 molecule. What is that C2O4 molecule? Oxalate ion. What is the formula for oxalate? C2O4. Tell me, is that coordination number is 3? Definitely no. If it is monodentate ligand, number of ligand is nothing but coordination number. If it is bidentate or polydentate, number of ligand are not equal to coordination number. Here, total number of ligands are 3, but one oxalate ion can donate 2 pairs of electrons to the central metal atom to form 2 coordination bonds. Clear? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ total number of oxalate ions ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3 ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು oxalate ion 2 coordination bond ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 3 oxalate ions ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? 3 2s are 6. Then what is the coordination number? Coordination number of this complex is found to be 6. Usually coordination number 4 ಅಥವಾ 6 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Most of the coordination compounds ಅಲ್ಲಿ coordination number 6 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ 4. Common coordination number. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Next, COEN thrice Cl3. What is the coordination number? What is that EN represent? Ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine is nothing but a bidentate ligand. What is the formula? CH2NH2 again CH2NH2. Ethylene diamine is bidentate ligand. It can donate 2 pairs of electrons to the central metal atom to form 2 coordination bonds. One ethylene diamine can donate 2 pairs to form 2 coordination bonds. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 3 ethylene diamines ಎಷ್ಟು pairs of electrons ನ donate ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? 6 pairs. Hence ಒಂದು ethylene diamine 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ total 3 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? Total 6. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ around cobalt number of one ethylene diamine 2 pairs of electron ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Another ethylene diamine can donate another 2 pairs. One more ethylene diamine can donate 2 pairs. Hence, total number of coordination bonds around the cobalt in this complex is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hence, coordination number is 6. Clear? This is about today's concept. Okay. Let us solve some objective questions based on the covered syllabus. Okay, the question is, how many ions are formed from the complex CONH3 6 times Cl3? The question is, how many ions are produced from this complex in solution? Option A 6 ಇದೆ, option B 4 ಇದೆ, option C 3 ಇದೆ, option D 2 ಇದೆ. The question is, how many ions are produced in the aqueous medium for this complex? This complex will dissociate in their aqueous medium. We know that this is non-ionizable sphere. This is coordination sphere. CONH3 6 times. Water ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇವರು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು? The element which is present outside the sphere or ionizable sphere or counter ion ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಟೋಟಲ್ 3 ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರದ್ದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ how many ions are produced when this complex is dissolved in aqueous medium? 3 chlorodion along with 1 complex N. 3 plus 1 4. Hence option B. Next, when 1 mole of each of the following complex salt is treated with excess of AgNO3 solution. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಈಗ 4 ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಅದನ್ನ excess of AgNO3 ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ AgCl ಪ್ರಿಸಿಪಿಟೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ the 4 options: CO, NH3, 5, Cl, Cl2, and the second option is CO, NH3, 6 times Cl3, option C, CO, NH3, 4 times Cl2, Cl, and the option D is CO, NH3, thrice Cl thrice. The question is very simple. When 1 mole of each of the following complex, idu 1 mole, idu 1 mole, idu 1 mole, idu 1 mole ತಗೋಣ. 1 mole of each of the following complex salt is treated with excess of AgNO3 solution. Which of them gives maximum amount of AgCl precipitate? ಇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ AgCl precipitate ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? Just observe the number of chlorine atom present outside the sphere. Here this compound do not give AgCl precipitate because this compound does not contain free chloride. This compound can readily form 1 mole of AgCl precipitate. 1 mole of AgCl precipitate because it containing only 1 free chloride. This compound containing 3 chlorides, hence it form 3 moles of AgCl precipitate. 3 moles of AgCl precipitate ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. This compound can readily form 2 moles of AgCl precipitate. 2 moles of AgCl precipitate ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ here no PPT, no precipitate. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ which one of the following will give maximum number of AgCl precipitate when it is treated with excess of AgNO3? Option 3. Just number of chlorine atom present outside the sphere ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫ್ರೀ ಕ್ಲೋರಿಡೈನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ precipitate ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, an example of a neutral ligand. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲೋರೋ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ Cl minus, definitely it is negatively charged ligand. amine formula NH3, definitely amine is a neutral ligand. Third option cyano Cn minus, negatively charged ligand. In next acetate CH3CO minus, adu kuda neutral ligand. Athwa nitroleum ligand, adu kuda negatively charged ligand. And amine is a only neutral ligand. Which is a bidentate ligand anta keltidare. Options ಓದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. cyano, hydronium, oxalato, EDTA. cyano Cn minus, that is monodentate ligand. hydronium H3O plus, adu ligand alla, electron donate ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. oxalato is a bidentate ligand, C2O4 2 minus. EDTA is hexadentate ligand, hence correct option is oxalate. Next, the most common coordination numbers are, what is coordination number? The number of coordination bonds formed around the central metal atom. Usually the common coordination numbers are 4 and 6. Options ಅಲ್ಲಿ first option ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 and 6 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, second option ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 and 3 ಇದೆ, third option ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 and 4 ಇದೆ, fourth option ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 and 6 ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಟಮಿನ್ B12 is a complex compound containing, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ವಿಟಮಿನ್ B12 is also one of the coordination compound of vitamin B12 is a coordination compound of cobalt. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಯಾವುದು? ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್ is a coordination compound of magnesium. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಪರ್ ಇದೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೋಬಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದು ಕೋಬಾಲ್ಟ್. Cobalt is a coordination compound of ಅಂದ್ರೆ vitamin B12 is a coordination compound of cobalt. Okay, ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ MTG ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವೇನು MTG ಬುಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.